In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language and country settings on Google Calendar. Whether you're planning events locally or coordinating with people abroad, adjusting your language and country preferences can make a big difference. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the Google Calendar website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Google Calendar in the search bar. Hit enter and you'll be presented with several search results. Go ahead and click on the first one, which should lead you to Google Calendar's homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address in the provided field and select Next. Make sure you use the email that's linked to your Google Calendar. Now input your password and click Next again. If you've set up any additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, follow those prompts to access your calendar. Once you're in, look for the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. You need to select settings from this menu. This will open a new page where you can customize various aspects of your calendar experience. On the settings page, take a look at the left-hand column and find the option labeled Language and Region. Click on this to bring up your current language settings. Next, click on the field labeled Language. A list will pop up showcasing a multitude of languages. Choose the language you're comfortable with or the one that best suits your needs. After choosing a language, do the same for your country. You'll see country right below language. Click on this field and a list of countries will appear. Scroll through and click on your desired country. This will adjust features like holidays and specific settings relevant to your region. To ensure that these changes take effect, look for an option at the bottom of the settings interface that says Reload Now. Clicking this will refresh Google Calendar and apply your new preferences. There you have it. You've successfully changed the language and country settings on your Google Calendar. These settings can be particularly useful if you're working in a multilingual environment or if you frequently travel and need to keep your events aligned with local customs and time zones. Hopefully, this guide has made the process smooth and straightforward. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.